Unboxing the new cordless narrow crown stapler. Same thing as the finish gun, but this is a stapler. Oh boy, they brought a belt clip. Well, these things are so handy. I'm going to sell you something else. Respirator. Got too many of them. Destructions. It says right here, avoid using solvents when cleaning plastic parts. Most plastic parts are susceptible to damage from various types of commercial solvents which may damage by their use. Use clean cloth to remove dirt, dust, oil, grease, etc. So I guess we don't oil it. It's not like a air powered one. That's the most important thing about an air gun is you gotta oil it. It's got a bunch of O-rings and stuff in there. Get this thing out of here and try it. Gotta cut that off. I'm sure it's something important to read. This tool has been This tool is shipped from a factory with susceptible trigger sealed in single sequential activation mode. The selectable trigger can also be set for contact activation. Please refer to the operator's manual for detailed instructions. Okay. Yeah, we like contact. It's right here. Switch right here. It's got, I know you probably can't see it, but it's got several nails in one little spot, and on this side it's got just a hammer. So flip it over, that's contact firing. Let's put some staples in here and try it. Shoots up to 1.5 inches, which is great. 18 gauge narrow crown, 18 volt type of staples, 18 gauge 1/4 inch narrow crown. There is different crowns, especially when you start getting into the DeWalt and some of the others. You can't just go by what it looks like. You've got to go by what it reads on the package itself. And then you want to make sure you get the right size, because it shoots 3/8 to 1.5 inches. Which 1.5 inches is great. Well, let's get a battery in this thing and try it. Alright, let me find El Bordola. I think it's even got a light there too. Now let's do the contact nailing. Check the depth by this little hootenanny here. I'm not sure which way it goes for which direction. Okay, that's for this. We won't flush mount. Well, really we want below flush. Well, doesn't look like it's going to go any farther than that. This wouldn't be good for sighting. These staples here. The crown's too small. Alright, well, good luck. One of my neighbors is having a brad dug out of his elbow this week because somebody was using a brad nailer and they overshot, and it hit him in the elbow, and he thought it was just a mosquito bite. A year later he goes to have an x-ray on his elbow. Come to find out there's a cotton picking nail in there. It's a brad a pin nail, one you use for fine finish work. So it either ricocheted or he overshot or something with his finish gun.